Walmart Family Mobile text issues often stem from a few key areas. First, it's crucial to understand that Walmart Family Mobile operates on networks like T-Mobile or Verizon, making it susceptible to their outages and updates. Problems usually arise from incorrect APN settings, which are essential for routing SMS and MMS messages correctly. These settings act as the gateway for data services, so an incorrect configuration can block MMS entirely. Carrier-level blocks or spam filters, or even blocks you've set on your phone, can also prevent texts. Also, network integrations and device compatibility are key. Your phone needs to be fully compatible with the network's messaging protocols. Sometimes, a simple glitch or outdated firmware can be the culprit. Let's walk through troubleshooting. First, always reboot your phone. It's the simplest and often most effective solution. Check your signal strength. Poor signal can definitely disrupt text delivery. Ensure data roaming is turned off unless you're traveling. Next, verify your APN settings. For Walmart Family Mobile on T-Mobile, the standard APN should be fast.tmobile.com, with the MSC URL as /ms.msg.tmobile.com SWAPE and C and port 80. If problems persist, check for blocked numbers in your phone's settings. Consider resetting your network settings. For more complex issues, contact Walmart Family Mobile support at 1-800-925-6355. They might suggest a SIM swap if corruption is suspected. Finally, if available for your device, enable RCS, Rich Communication Services, in your messaging app settings for enhanced reliability and features. Keep your phone's firmware updated, as Walmart and T-Mobile often release updates to address compatibility issues. Also, check for any reported outages with T-Mobile in your area. These can often affect Walmart Family Mobile users.